It's a meteorite! It smashed a crater in the road. Oh, Bus doesn't know what happened. He is approaching. Brake! Bus! Oh, luckily it stopped. But how to get across? Oh, maybe this way. Bus is going to try. Be careful. Oh! Bus has fallen into the crater. Come on, Bus! Whoops, not working.
Oh.
Digger, go up and help Bus. Extend the bucket and hook it. Come on, excavator! Oops. Try again. Bus, you also need to try harder. We made it! Such a huge crater! How to surface the road? Tenny, please cut the tree to pave the way. Tenny jumped off to cut it. Almost there!
Hey! Hey-ya!
Excavator, push it down. Yeah! We have laid it flat. Tenny, please trim the branches. Look! Truck is coming! Load the truck on the truck. Truck, you can take it away. Unload the truck. Excavator, press it down. All right, get up there and check it. Bus, you can go across it. What's Burner doing here? Truck! Burner is there! Be careful! Oops! Burner is a setting trap! Brake! Oh! Truck fell into the trap, finally! It's hateful of Burner's trap. Truck, can you try to climb out? No, I can't. What's Burner doing? It is rearranging the trap. It's hateful. Tenny, there's a trap ahead. Stop! Luckily, excavator stopped. No, Burner is making trouble. Oh no, Tyrannosaurus Rex! Tenny, try to get the truck out. Come on, harder! Tyrannosaurus Rex comes. What should we do? The hateful burner. Don't worry, excavator is great. Come on, excavator. Yeah, excavator won. Burner gets angry. Run, Burner! Tenny, let's rescue the truck. Hook the rear. Pull it up. Oh yeah! The truck is saved.